and welcome back to Guildo's workshop. Today, we will discover several ROFU electric door strikes, along with a low-cost standalone access control solution with Bluetooth technology. By the way, if you weren't already aware, ROFU was acquired by CDVI in December 2019 to enhance our product offering to you. ROFU is located in Seattle and managed by Wes Makwachuk. He's the sales manager for the North American market. I've invited Wes to assist me today in discovering several aspects of ROFU products and how they provide a cost-effective solution for your locking requirements. With 40 plus years experience in the industry, Wes's extensive knowledge in locksmithing, sales, and distribution make him an extremely valuable resource for ROFU, CDVI, and you, the customer. Do not hesitate to contact him to help you with your projects.
Thank you for inviting me, Guildo. I'm very happy to be here.
Each ROFU electric strike shown today is UL listed, supports fail-safe or fail-secure installations, and also supports dual voltage, either 12 or 24 volts DC. So let's begin exploring these devices, these ROFU products, by starting with your go-to all-purpose electric strike solution, the 2400 kit. The 2400 kit is designed to fit a vast majority of cylindrical lock sets. It includes two faceplates to accommodate most door frames. The 2400 kit can also be included in several Atrium and Crypto kits, providing a complete access control locking solution for your project.
The 2400 kit is our most popular electric strike because it works for a majority of applications, be it a cylindrical knob lock or lever lock or even aluminum storefront door latch.
The 2435 kit is designed for both mortise and cylindrical lock sets. It includes 5 heavy-duty stainless steel construction faceplates to accommodate all your different doors.
This is the electric strike to use for what's called off-center line applications, which are mortise latches or even mortise exit devices.
The 2495 FR is a surface mount electric strike for rim exit devices, also known as push bars, with a 1/2-inch Pullman latch. Included spacers can be used to accommodate 3/4 inch Pullman latch throws. Last but not least, it is also UL listed for both fire and burglary projects.
This unique electric strike is designed for rim panic exit devices with Pullman latches. A Pullman latch is the most commonly used on rim exit devices.
And here we have the 9800 infrared exit device from ROFU. Just wave to exit, no touching required. It's a touchless solution for your exit requirements. There's a 4-inch detection range of the sensor. It can be used standalone to control mag locks or electric door strikes, or it can also be used, of course, with any access control system as your exit device. When the sensor, senses your hand motion, the LED on the actual unit will turn green to indicate that it has seen your hand.
This infrared sensor switch means no touch, just wave to unlock your door or to connect it to your access control system. It'll fit into a standard single gang box.
Last but not least, the BKC 5000B is a 3-in-1 standalone card reader, keypad, and Bluetooth solution. This indoor-outdoor IP65 device has a capacity of 200 users and a 1000 event log. To unlock your door, you can use a card, use a PIN code, or use your phone. Simply download the free ROFU B5000 app to take advantage of this smartphone feature. This concludes today's workshop. We look forward to seeing you again soon. And I'd like to thank Wes for joining us today in Guildo's workshop. Bye-bye.